Meaning of hosiery.
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 Hosiery. Hosiery refers to clothing items worn on the feet and legs, including stockings, socks, tights and pantyhose. It is typically made of materials like cotton, wool, or synthetic fibers, and comes in a range of styles, colors, and patterns. Hosiery has been a popular fashion item for many years, with stockings and tights being worn by women as far back as the 16th century. Today, hosiery is worn by both men and women and remains an important part of many people's wardrobes, providing warmth, comfort, and style.